What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am finally taking the Land Cruiser out to stretch its legs. Yes, we are going off-roading. The trail we're planning to go on is Cleghorn. Now for those of you that don't know, Cleghorn itself is actually a relatively easy fire road. The only difficult parts are the offshoots from the main road. It ranges anywhere from a little bit of flex to maybe you scratch your front and rear bumper a little bit, or you completely roll your car. So please be careful when you pick out which offshoots that you want to take. Now today I'm going to be rolling with a group of friends. We have a Tundra, a couple Tacomas, and a 4Runner. So it should make an interesting video. Not fixing anything today, just having fun. So please sit back and enjoy.
Big rut. Oh, there it is. Watch the big rut in front. Big rut. There you go. Big rut.
Oh my God, this is steep.
Wait. Big rut.
How you got this, dude?
Easy. There's a big rut coming up on the right-hand side.
Hold the line.
Keep holding it. Go, go, go. You're gonna fall in on this side. Go, but keep going, keep going. Turn. Can you turn right? Wait, back up a little bit. Okay, and then turn down a little bit right. Okay, try that. There you go, turn right, yeah. Hold that, keep going, keep going. Hemi. Tell him to turn this way a little bit. Turn. Passenger.
More passenger.
There you go. Straight? Yeah. You got it.
Whoa!
Wait.
Are you locked? Yeah.
Can you go back a little bit? Yeah.
Lock your rear. Press the button.
Press the button.
Up top. Yeah, rear lock. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Try again. It's doing it. There you go, there you go, there you go. Wait, you're gonna dip, you're gonna dip. Go ahead. There you go. No.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good. You're beautiful.
Straight. Straight. That way. Straight.
Easy.
Slow. Slow. Wait. So scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. turn that way. Okay, wait. Straight. Back up. Okay, stop. Straight. No, no, straighten your wheel. Straighten your wheel. Yeah, go. Yeah? Wait, turn your locker on. Okay. Look at it, this way. Okay, it's nice and slow. Okay, wait. Okay.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Okay, straight. Woo! You might want to go. You're gonna be three-wheel right now.
Oh, I could have done it.
You got it. Passenger side a little. Straight. Okay, you're gonna go up right here. So much flex. Yeah. Okay, turn it down. Turn that, yeah. Okay, straight. Perfect. There he goes. Got it, you got it. Get it! She's a big one. You got it. Keep going, slow. Just nice and slow. You got it. Good, good, good. Nice and slow. Okay. Back up a little bit. Okay, turn passenger. Okay. Go. So back up a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, turn passenger all the way. Okay, right there.
Am I digging a hole?
No?
Right?
Yeah. Can you back up a little bit more? Stop. Okay, turn more. Okay. Nice and slow. There you go. Okay. Straight? Yeah. Do you have lockers on this one? Okay. There you go. It's the lockers. Okay. Okay, straight. Keep it straight like that. You're good. Keep going, you're good.
Go straight. There you go, babe. Three-wheeling, all right. Go ahead. Same line, you're good. Passenger a little bit. Yeah, you're good right there. Keep going. You're good. Hold that line straight. Little passenger. Come on. Keep going. Little more passenger. Now hold it straight. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Here we go. Easy. Passenger side, passenger side. You gonna run? Oh, there goes your muffler tip. Yes, he is. Woo! Look at that. Easy. There you go. There you go. Passenger, passenger. Passenger! There we go. Yo, that turbo diesel! Woo! There we go. There we go! Yeah! problem right here, this rock. Good, good. Now that is it. Luckily, we're going home with no rolled vehicles, just a couple battle scars here and there, not too bad. But my question to you is this: which truck do you think did it better? Was it the 100 Series Land Cruiser? Was it the 4Runners? Was it the Tacoma, the Tundra, or was it the Raptor or the Dodge? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you liked this video, make sure you hit that like button. And for more Land Cruiser content, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.